Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Local security policy is available on Pro or Enterprise editions, not Home, and you must be signed in as an administrator. Once that is done, make sure you know which user or group you will modify because precision avoids lockouts. Now open Start, type SecPol, MSC, and press Enter to open the snap-in. This is the fastest route. You will see the console tree on the left and policy details on the right. This layout matters for the next steps. Once the console is open, navigate Security Settings, then Local Policies, and choose User Rights Assignment to change privileges. You modify a policy by double-clicking it, selecting Add User or Group, entering the exact account name, and clicking OK. This ensures Windows recognizes the principal. Make sure to use audit policy entries first to test impact, so you can monitor successful or failed access events before fully enforcing changes. Also, use the Effective Permissions tool if you need to verify combined rights. To finalize, refresh policies with gpupdate/force or restart the machine. This forces Windows to apply changes immediately. You should document each modification and then test the affected accounts to confirm they behave as expected. This prevents surprises in production. If something goes wrong and you lose access, boot into safe mode or sign in with an alternate administrator account to revert the problematic setting. Alternatively, use System Restore or restore from a backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.